Today we're going up to San Diego.
What's up YouTube fam, and welcome back to the channel. Like I said before the previous vlog, this rain has really been coming a horrible time because today I'm supposed to pull out my car and pull off the wrap, but it looks like I'm gonna have to be doing the garage, which also sucks because the weather outside is so cold, which is not good, you know, to pull off a wrap when it's cold, because if you put it in the sun, it's so much more easier. Is that even what the word? So much more easier. Anyways, all right, so let's start it up. Let's pull it out a little bit, set up the extension cord and start peeling off this. I'm gonna start off with the biggest part. It's gonna be the hood. Let me bring you over here. Let's show you out. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, thank you, brother. Thank you. So what I'm going to be doing is taking off the wrap off the hood right here. You know, God, they come in such a horrible time. I got my partner right here helping me. He's going to be helping me today. A lot of people that hit me up on Instagram said they'll come and help me, but I'm doing it when a lot of you guys are in school, so that's all right. As you see right here, right now we're working on, or actually pretty soon, that car's gonna be done. We're gonna be building that for him. There is my buggy, there's my short course truck, and there's my truggy. I do race them. Guys, I am a nerd, and I don't hide it. Started even sprinkling even more, but we got the car pulled in. Right now, let's start off with the hood and then continue on. This thing smells disgusting when you first use it. It smells like ass. Anyways, I'll let you guys know. The first part is done. We got the hood off, the hood wrap off. So I'm gonna remove these a little bit later. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do in the vlog or I'll just do it off camera. So next, I'm thinking that we'll do this side that's in the garage, because I get horrible lighting. It's like half my car's in the garage, half my car's outside. It's freaking super cloudy outside, so I'm getting horrible lighting. My camera just can't adjust, and I'm shooting in manual mode. But anyways, I know I'm talking Chinese to half you guys. Yo, my fingers actually are kind of hurt a little bit, but that was really easy. That's the easy part. All these right here are going to be not hard, but I'm gonna say time consuming. So I'm gonna start off with the window banner, and I'm just gonna work my way across there in the back over here. Why I'm gonna do that way, I don't know, but let's just start. I believe the window banner is pretty easy to come off. I could probably do, oh no, never mind, let's get heat done. All right, after giving a little bit of heat, yeah, that's what you have to do. First you have to give it heat, then you just pull it off. Oh shit. Yo, thanks for all the help, Arlo. So I put it up on Instagram that I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna wrap my car. Obviously I talked about it with you guys also. And I think I'm gonna go back to Army Green. Daniel keeps on telling me not to go back to Army Green because I've already did it. But I really love the color. And with having all the front splitter, the rear diffuser, my rims, I love my rims a lot. I'm not gonna change my rims, just probably change the color. I really wanna see Army Green again, but I will let Premium, I want Premium to do their own twist on it, but the majority of the color be Army Green. So that's gonna be the surprise. Army Green is gonna come back, but the surprise is what they do to it, like the twist, the, what's it called, lemons. LimeWire, I don't know, the livery thing on the side. That's gonna be dope. Christian kills it all the time, so I'm excited to see that. As you can see, the fender is done and the hood is done. I think I want to say it's been about 25 minutes. Let's say 25 minutes. That's done. All right, when I put the new battery in, I'll turn the camera back on. This is like the stockiest my car has ever looked. Even like when I first got the car, I got it wrapped right away. Alright guys, so got the battery all charged up. Now I'm gonna give you guys an update on the car. And you see right here, this guy has been helping me so much. It's all pretty much done. This right here, I'm gonna do last. It was just pain in the butt to peel that little part off. The whole passenger side is done. I started to peel this off, so if you guys remember, the wrap that I had, I think my second, or I think of the second wrap, I had like that, I'll put a picture of it right here if I can find it. But it basically, it's red, and then when the light hits it, or flash hits it, it turns like this crazy glow up, called Lumaglow, or I don't know, I can't remember the name of it. But I'll also put a picture if I can find it. I'm pretty sure I have one somewhere on my Instagram or on my phone. But this is like lights up. You kind of see when like light hits it, it turns like a brighter red, like kind of looks like a light. So this right here is really a pain in the ass to take off, and I might just say that for premium. But I see the whole front end is clean. Everything's taken off. I got a whole bunch of vinyl all over the floor. And now I've just finished up the driver's side fender, and I'm moving to, I probably have about 50 more stickers to go. I didn't think I was gonna finish in this vlog, but you know what, we're gonna do it. And the funniest comment I seen last video was like, plot twist, this was a magnet. This is a magnet. Johnny Tsunami over there from Premium makes these. So if you like them, the race numbers, we need to change to El Jefe Vlogs. We should do it. Check that out right there, magnet game. I don't think it's supposed to come off that easy. Oh, right there, turned a little yellow. So, noticing right now what I was talking about with Daniel on the last vlog is it turning a little yellow. Let me see if I can get it. See, you can see right there. I know you can see. Boom. See that yellow? That's what it does. But just putting the sun, it disappears. Noticing on the hood a little bit too, it's doing that. But like I said, there's no sun out today, obviously, just rain. So that's gonna go away in a couple of days, so I don't gotta worry about that. Someone decided to draw a piece on my car in permanent marker. Now I'm all about having fun, and like people drew pieces on my car before, but on the wrap part, not the actual car. Like that's actually on the paint in my car. Now it is gonna come out. Daniel said don't worry about it. It is gonna be able to buff out everything like that. But the fact that I'm at Tuning Tokyo, I'm in Vegas, getting, you know, letting people wrap on my car, letting people like, you know, put vinyl on my car so they can learn something and like sign their Instagram and stuff like that, have a good time. The fact that someone thought it would be a great idea to draw onto my car, it's just kind of whack. I don't know what people's obsession is with penises. Like for some reason guys just love drawing penises. I'm probably bleeping out so much stuff right now, but anyways, I guess, I mean, it was funny. If you guys think it's funny, then it's funny. I got a penis in my car, but I just kind of think it was whack that he did impermanent marker on the actual paint. So I'll be driving around with a nice little chode. I'm pretty sure that represents his size too, actually, probably about the same size. So whoever drew that, Shout out to you. All right, let's keep on taking this wrap off. Alright guys, and just like that, it is done. My freaking fingers are like dry and they're killing me, but I like it. I like it for right now. It looks good, going back to the original color that I got the car in, which is a white. It is like it's a Chevy white. I don't know, it's really good. I like it. I like it a lot. I need to get detailed. So what's gonna happen now is, now that this thing is completely peeled off, everything is off. Everything. There's no stickers except for like the overlays and stuff like that. But there it is. All right, so hope you guys had a great Wednesday, or having a good Wednesday when you're watching this. It is Wednesday, so next video on Friday is gonna be me getting this car finally getting detailed for like 6 or 7 months. I can't remember how long it's been, but it's been a very long time since I got this car detailed, and it needs a freaking good cleaning. So that's gonna be Friday's video, and then I'll probably remove the front loopers too and take off the other wrap. Maybe I'll do in the video, I don't know. Comment down below if you want to see that taken off. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys liked it, don't forget to share it, don't forget to like it, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys on Friday. Have a good Wednesday.
Something like